Hello my friends, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Grace in My Space. Today I'm really excited. I get to show you how I'm keeping these lovely plants alive during a renovation. Today's video is sponsored by RainPoint, and last summer I was able to share with you their automatic water timer, which allowed me to schedule the cottage's irrigation outdoors without ever once having to pick up a hose, and it watered it all summer long. It was like magic. But today I get to share with you their brand new solar irrigation system that I'm using for indoor plants. Now, one challenge that I didn't necessarily anticipate or think about ahead of time living in a renovation is the health of my indoor plants. They have struggled, to say the least. Trying to keep up with all the renovation plans, plus all of the normal things that happen in daily life, has meant that I have forgotten to water my plants for months at a time. Exhibit A. So, RainPoint to save the day. Let me show you how it works. Within the system, you'll get the mini hub, the irrigation pump, hosing, and all of the components needed. Start by downloading the HomeGar app. Next, select Mini Hub and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Simply follow the prompts on the screen to connect your hub to your Wi-Fi. Name it whatever you would like, and then click Add Device. Once the hub is finished pairing, you are connected and all set to go. Within your mini hub, you're going to click Add Device, then Watering Pump, and once that has paired, you are all set to create a watering schedule. You can create a plan of any frequency, length of time, any schedule that is repeating, or you can add and skip days as you customize your watering schedule. If you'd like to have more control over your watering schedule, you can water by hand by clicking the button on the side of your irrigation pump. Everything is run and maintained within the HomeGar app, and it's very simple to do. Next, let's set up the actual physical irrigation system. The water pump is very straightforward. You have an in and an out. Connect your water filter to the in tube and then place it into your water reservoir. Next, you're going to connect an out tube, and this is where you're going to be connecting all of your piping to go from plant to plant, utilizing the T-bars, crossbars, as well as the watering tips. Loosen up the soil slightly, and then you can slide the watering tip directly into the center of your plant and continue connecting tubing to length as you need to for up to 10 plants. As you can see, the water runs through the tubes and out the watering tip, and you can place it anywhere that you would like, and you can schedule it for as often as you would like it to be watered. The entire system is built off of one water reservoir where you can easily fill up a substantial amount of water in that reservoir, and then it can water for as long as your watering schedule allows, and then you simply have to fill up once and you're done. The solar powered watering pump is adjustable so you can tilt the head for best sunlight direction, and you can hide the water reservoir and the pump if you would like to and camouflage it a little bit better within your plants. I just had a single surface for mine. The RainPoint system is so easy to set up. It's as simple as downloading the HomeGar app, connecting the hub to your Wi-Fi, adding the irrigation system as a device, and then setting up your plan. Connecting your tubes, you can do up to 10 plants at a time, and this is gonna be an absolute lifesaver. This is for my own peace of mind during renovations, but I cannot even imagine how useful this would be for vacations, for house sitters to not have to worry about plants, for just your everyday busy life. Taking one more daily task off of your list, this is gonna be a lifesaver. Make sure and check out RainPoint with all of the details linked in the description. Now, while I love that this is solar powered, you can also actually recharge the battery. So if you come across situations where you don't have much sun for a few days, that is also an option to keep you operational. Now it's up to me to maintain my plant's health in other ways, but make sure and check out the description for all of the details on this RainPoint system.